What if school waste could cook school meals? Today we are installing a T-Rex M100 biogas system at Don Bosco Boys Town Technical Institute. This project is made possible through a partnership between the Rotary Club of Karen and Flexi Biogas. The installation begins as the Flexi Biogas team arrives on site with the prefabricated components of the T-Rex M100 system. All components are delivered ready for installation, allowing the system to be assembled quickly with minimal construction work. The first step is preparing a stable and level surface where the digester will sit. Unlike traditional constructed biogas plants, the T-Rex biogas system is fully prefabricated, making installation faster, simpler, and easier to maintain. Once assembled, the digester is primed with cow dung to begin the natural biological process that produces biogas. To accelerate microbial activity and boost gas production, a solar thermal heater is installed on the system. The biogas produced is piped directly to the school kitchen where it will be used to cook meals for the students. High-efficiency biogas pressure cookers, also referred to as githeri pots, are installed to prepare large institutional meals such as githeri faster and more efficiently. Even at this early stage, the system has already begun producing gas. During the initial test, a blue flame confirms that the biological process inside the digester has successfully started. To maintain a steady supply of organic material, hand-pulled carts are provided to collect additional vegetable waste from Karen Market. Flexi Biogas continues to expand clean energy solutions for schools and communities. We will return soon to show the T-Rex M100 fully operational and powering the Don Bosco kitchen. Flexi Biogas, turning waste into energy. Talk to us today.